Chaos unfolded at New York's LaGuardia Airport when two Delta Connection regional jets collided on the taxiway. One CRJ-900 had just arrived from Charlotte, while another was preparing to depart for Roanoke, when the departing aircraft's right wing sliced into the nose and cockpit area of the arriving jet. Passengers reported a sudden jolt as the metal scraped, shattering part of the windshield. Though most on board were unharmed, one flight attendant suffered a knee injury and had to be taken to the hospital, while everyone else was evacuated by bus from the taxiway. The FAA confirmed that the departing plane was instructed to hold short, raising questions about how such a collision happened at all. Investigators from the ntsb have already recovered cockpit voice recorders to analyze crew actions, while they also look into air traffic control instructions, visibility, and whether ground radar warning systems could have prevented the crash. While described as a low-speed collision, the impact caused serious structural damage, a stark reminder that even on the ground, aviation safety depends on flawless coordination between pilots, controllers, and airport systems. The final report will reveal the full chain of events, but for now, this incident highlights just how quickly routine operations at one of the world's busiest airports can turn dangerous.